What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can literally set something up in just a few minutes and start to convert leads online on total autopilot. Okay, because maybe you don't want to get on the phone all day and talk to people. Maybe you don't want to have to keep track and send out all these messages. I'm going to share with you how you can literally convert people into paying customers passively, even while you're sleeping. Now, the software we're going to be using is something called GetResponse. Now, there's going to be a button directly below this video, and when you click that button, you'll actually get taken to this page here, and you can actually sign up totally for free, okay? So they have a 30-day free trial, and then after that 30 days, it's only about $30 a month. Now, there's very few tools or resources you actually need to have as an affiliate marketer, okay? A funnel builder, which I talked about in an earlier email, something like ClickFunnels, okay? So you can actually build a funnel, which is just a group of different web pages online. So for example, okay, this right here, this is the first page of one of my funnels. This is called a capture page. And ClickFunnels allows you to build these pages. So when someone goes to this page, you can actually collect their email address, okay? And now using GetResponse, we can actually follow up with those people's email addresses totally on autopilot. We can continue to send them email messages until they either buy or they decide that they're not interested anymore. Okay, so how do we actually do this? Well, once you actually sign up for free at the button below, what you're going to get taken to is your back office. Okay, so you would fill out your information there and then you're in your back office. Now, I actually already have an account. I've built, an email list for many years now. But this will probably look different, okay? It's going to look slightly different. It's going to be blank. What you want to do, the very first step is you want to actually go to contacts and you want to build a list, okay? So this is basically just where you can actually build a list of people that you can start sending these autopilot email messages to. So I highly recommend, now I have different, email lists right here. So based on, if I'm promoting a certain product or I'm in a certain niche, you want to categorize your list based on that. You don't just want to send these follow-up messages to every random person. You want to categorize it and filter people based on what they're looking for to increase your conversions online, okay? So let's say you're promoting a make money online product, for example. I can go to create list and I can name this, okay, make money online list, okay? And I can go ahead and create that. So now what happens is, this is my list. You can say number of contacts is 0 because no one's actually become added to that list yet. But what I can do is, again, using something, let's say ClickFunnels, you can create one of these pages and now you can hook up ClickFunnels to your GetResponse list. So when someone puts in their email here, they'll get added to this specific list. Okay, now GetResponse has tons of tutorials. There's tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to technically go in there in a matter of minutes and hook that up, okay? But I just want to share with you overall why GetResponse is so powerful, okay? So now what you can do is you can go to tools at the top and you want to click Autoresponders. And what you can literally do is create something called an autoresponder sequence. This is basically a sequence of daily emails that go out to those people email addresses, okay? So once someone gets added to your list, they will get these emails in order as you scheduled them, okay? So this email goes out instantly. This is on day 1, day 2, day 3, okay? And it's really powerful because, again, this automates what we used to have to do manually. You used to have a long spreadsheet and try to keep track of who you're messaging and who you're talking to on what day. This just, it doesn't matter what time of day, if you're sleeping, if you're on vacation, if you're hanging out with your loved ones, and someone puts their email into your capture page, now these emails will start going out on your behalf, okay? Now you may think, well, I don't know how to write these emails, right? How do you actually do this? Well, what you can do, okay, is based on whatever affiliate product you're promoting, often they have email swipes. So let's say you go to a site like clickbank.com where you can find a lot of different affiliate products to promote. And let's say you find a good product. So the perpetual income product right here, this is in the make money online niche. And often, products will have like affiliate pages or JV pages. Now, these have a lot of resources. So if I go there, okay, I'm actually on the page right here, and I scroll down, they have these high converting email swipes. So you can literally just swipe these, okay? So for example, if I open this, okay, it's gonna take me to a Google document. Now these are email swipes. So what you can do is if I select the list I just created, that Make Money Online list, okay, here, we don't have any autoresponders. So I click here to create one, okay? And I'll do this very simply, but it's really easy, okay? So we wanna put day 0, this is the first day. In the list, you'll probably just have one. I'll choose this one though, okay? Instantly, because we wanna instantly send that message when they put their email in. And then we choose create new email. And then all we have to do is put in our subject line, okay? This is the first line of text when the email goes out. If you think about whenever you check your email inbox, you see those first headlines, that's what this is, okay? So we wanna make sure that it's something catchy. So it gives you the subject line right here, okay? So I can click this, copy, go back to here, put that in for the subject line, do next step, okay? Now they have all these different templates with GetResponse that you can actually use, but I'm just gonna do my template. Okay, I actually have all these different templates, or you could literally just do start from scratch. Okay, I'll show you that. Go use template, okay? And all you have to do, okay, we wanna delete this first off because we don't really need that. Okay, boom, okay? And then what we wanna do is we wanna open this up and we wanna double click text block and double click image, okay? And what we want to do in this text block is we want to actually go back to the swipe and we want to just copy this. Okay, copy that there, go back here, paste. Okay, it's that simple, right? And you can actually, if you want to change the, how big it is, you can change the font. Okay, I usually do Arial. And there you have it, okay? Now you want to edit some of this. Okay, it says click here to see why. Wherever it says click here, that's where you want to put in your affiliate link. So I can double click, I can click this little paper clip, okay? I can go back to ClickBank if that's where you find the product you're promoting. Get your affiliate link, okay? Create hop link. And then I just copy that affiliate link. I go back here and I just paste that in. Okay, I can do that here as well. Boom, okay? And then cheers, I would just put in my name here. You would put in your name, okay? Now I put an image. It's good to actually put a good picture of yourself, okay? Because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you wanna always put in a good photo of yourself so people can relate to you better, okay? Let me go ahead and format this. Okay, there we go. I can delete this. Okay, just clean it up a little bit. And there we have it. And then all you have to do is go to next step at the bottom right. Okay, you have to put an autoresponder name. That's just for your records, so you can just copy the subject line and put it there. And then you just save and publish. Okay, and what happens is once we do that, now we have this first email autoresponder message set. Okay, that's going to go instantly. So again, when someone goes to our opt-in page, they put their email in, now GetResponse automatically sends them this message. And you'll start getting people going to your affiliate link and buying even while you're sleeping, okay? Now, if I wanna add more, I can just click there, day 1, which is really the next day. Go here and it's the same process, okay? Select the list. Same time signed up, okay? Create new email, go through the same process. Again, you can go to these other swipes, and then that's it, okay? It's really, really simple, and it's incredibly powerful. The last thing I'll share is with GetResponse, what's really cool is after someone finishes your follow-up sequence, so let's say you have 7 days, now you can actually go to create newsletter, and you can actually broadcast the message out to everyone at one time, okay? So this is really cool. So if you have something current that's happened, maybe there's something in the news, maybe there's a product launching, you can go ahead and create a broadcast message the same way, and then you just broadcast it out to everyone, and you can get that timely message out to start to make sales that day, okay? So this is really powerful. Again, I'm gonna leave a button directly below this video. When you go to that button, you'll get taken to It should be a page like this, okay? Or it may be like this, and then you just click sign up for free. And then you just fill out your name, email, create a password, and then create an account. And then at the end of the 30 days, if you like it, which you definitely probably will, I mean, based on the sales and the leads you'll start getting, then you want to continue to pay. It's only about $30 a month, about $1 a day to automate your entire follow-up process. Okay, so go ahead, take action on that, my friend. I hope you got value. I use this in my own business. It's absolutely incredible. And until my next training, I'll talk very soon.